Have you ever seen a video with an AI generated character change faces like a shapeshifter? It's not a good look. If your character looks different in every scene, it confuses your audience and makes your character feel off. One minute your character has sharp features, and all of a sudden in the next scene they've got round cheeks and a new haircut. This kind of thing makes viewers lose connection and interest. And let's be honest, it just looks messy. To ensure your character remains consistent, there are a few AI tools you could use, but Leonardo AI is a game changer. It helps you lock in character details so they stay recognizable no matter the pose, angle, or scene. Let's look at an example. I started by creating a new image generation prompt in ChatGPT and then copied and pasted it in Leonardo AI and proceeded to generate the image, which cost about 14 tokens. Then you go ahead and select the image that best fits what you're looking for and download it. On the top left section of the image generation tab, there is an icon there. When you click on this button, you see a drop down and then click character reference. Then you upload the image you just downloaded. Proceed to add the prompt that best suits what you're looking for. When you click on this icon, you see some options of strength where you have low, medium, and high. The higher it is, the more the image generated would look like the reference image you uploaded. And then you go ahead and include the prompt for the image you want to generate. As you can see, there's some form of image consistency here where the image we uploaded looks a lot like the image that Leonardo has generated for us. Here's another example. I generated this image prompt using ChatGPT and copied it into Leonardo and went ahead to generate the image. And these are the results we get. Look for anyone that looks like the character you would like to work with and then go ahead to download the image. Then click on the icon and then select character reference and then upload the image of your choice. And again, you select the option, put the strength and high so that the character looks similar to the ones you're going to generate. Edit the image generation prompt into whatever you want it to be. And wait for the results. And as you can see, what we uploaded is very similar to what Leonardo is generating for us. Consistent character gives a polished and professional look to your videos, whether you're telling a story or making branded content or just creating cool visuals. This trick makes your work stand out. You must also bear in mind that the model you're using is very important. Not all models are able to uphold the role of character consistency or have the option of character reference. So it's always best to look for one that allows you to have a character reference. Now go make some characters that actually stick.